Yep, so that just happened. Been having a mildewy smell lately in the truck and wasn't quite sure where it was coming from. Now we took the box out, we got it figured out. We were trapping moisture underneath the box and we were getting some mildew on the plywood. So we're gonna take it apart, clean the carpet up, and I think we're gonna do a different type of box system in the back. It's Friday night. We should be adventuring, but instead we're engineering, or at least coming up with ideas. What do you think, Fee? You like all the extra space, don't you? It's not gonna last. So unfortunately, we're not getting too far today, thanks to the wonderful weather here in Virginia. But I've resurrected the storage box that I used to have in my Durango. I'm thinking this is going to work good for a sleeping platform. I just gotta take it all apart and shorten the door up here and move the framing a little bit. I'm thinking this is going to work, and then build some side wings over here. So I have my side wings on either side. I think my inverter and electronics are going to go down over here. This is all going to get removed right here. Fridge is going to sit right here. And then the drawers will probably be right in this area for the food. And then probably a small pantry cupboard up at the top here. We're going to I might try to keep storage down below this and make a hanging floor that comes down. So it's just big enough to slide a plastic tote. And then I think we might run this little 8-gallon water tank that we just got from Walmart. It's got a little handle on it so you can pull it behind you. So it's a work in progress, but I think we might have a game plan right now. It's a slow process. We're just trying to make sure we have enough storage for everything. Still got some work to do on it, but so far it's riding pretty quiet. This is pretty much what our nights consist of right now. Working on this until dark. It's getting there. Not quickly though. Just got 4 of these in the mail today. And that's how much they hold. So we're thinking something like that. The shelf's got to be moved down 1 more notch, and then we'll be able to put another bag above it. And this will be our new kitchen. That way, if we want to take it somewhere, we can. Trying to get her dialed in today. Got a massive mess going on right now. That's our platform. We're using 1/2-inch ply to keep the weight down on it, and then we're bracing it. It's getting there. Who knew I'd do more carpentry work on this than actual mechanical work? If you guys are going to build your own storage boxes in the back of your vehicles, one tool I'll highly recommend is a Craig pocket hole joiner. That's it right there. This thing is money. That cabinet is built all with that tool. Well, that and table saw. So that Craig pocket joint tool, I hand built all these drawers with that tool. Believe me, it's worth the money. Another night of work until we run out of daylight. So that's what we're thinking as far as the platform. This will probably be clothing storage and miscellaneous storage. And then we'll have storage on both sides. And then of course, we have 2 more front runner bags down here, and I'll probably have to taper this corner a little bit. We have a little bit more storage space right here, and then the vent for the fridge is straight back. And then for water, we're going to be using this 8-gallon Reliance water jug that's got a fold-up handle on it. So we're going to give that a shot. Put a little 90-degree swivel fitting on it, and then that's going to be plumbed probably to a hose that comes in through here somewhere. And then we're probably going to mount the water pump back in here somewhere. And then that'll be plumbed out back by the kitchen. And right now I'm thinking with these side panels, possibly putting some USB chargers in here for the girls. And maybe running a 110 plug out for the inverter. And then the inverter and the electronics are all going to go back in this well. And then there'll just be more bag storage. And then hopefully I can cut this out and make storage in my tailgate as well. So that's what we got going on so far. Have I mentioned how much I love my Foxwing yet? Well, we're not as far as we wanted to be yet, but the weather's been doing a pretty good job of keeping us down today. So far, this is what we've got. And then each one of these will be a removable lid for storage. Just like that. And then on this side, we'll have the same thing. Just like that. And then of course, Snowmaster goes there. And then we got this little guy right there. And then our storage bins down here. Well, it's not finished yet, but we're a heck of a lot closer than what we were. Should work good enough for this weekend. Got our front runner bags in. Panels flipped around on our Snowmaster. Didn't have time to order my switches and that, so made a makeshift panel tonight. Got that all wired up. Two front runner cases up front. Our Blue Ridge Overland gear first aid kit. And our water. Still got to plumb that tomorrow. And then underneath this panel on the side here, we've got our electrical, our Blue Sea fuse box, our ground bus bar, and then our 2000 watt power inverter behind that. I haven't tied this cable up yet because I still got to run a ground wire for the water pump. And the water pump is going to go on this side. And it's going to go underneath this panel here. And I still got to put some tie downs on that. There's our electrical. But our water pump's going to mount right up above that. Probably somewhere right around there. And then our water fitting is going to be right there. And then of course we've got plenty of storage all the way around. Spare parts. And then this panel here we're going to use as clothing storage and other miscellaneous items like shower wipes, dirty laundry, things of that nature. So that's pretty much it. We still gotta put some lining on it. We've just got it painted right now. I think we're going to possibly bed line it or raptor line it. And then the last thing that we have to do is we're going to cut some panels that go from here, from the box, over to the seats here, and it's going to make a platform bed. Hopefully we'll be able to fit two of us in there comfortably. I'd like to see all four of us sleep in there, but I'm not sure if that's going to happen yet. So we'll have to wait for another weekend to try that out.